Good morning, I'm Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate in Saint-Romuald-del-Sur. We are here today in Casa Canvas. So it's a non-finished house with structures of concrete and metal zinc, metal roof. Good quality structures, I will say, on the 8-acre property lot. We are in city center. It's about 3 blocks from the Central Park, the Catholic Church, probably 6 blocks from the beach. So could it be 10-minute walk to join the beach of Saint-Romuald-del-Sur? We are going to visit this property right now. Up. So from the street, here is my access. We are off-road of about 100 meters. When we see the road here going up on the right, we will join the main road, the paved road. Here we go in the house. So the owner has been building it. He wants to sell it, but if not, he will keep working on the property to improve it and to finish it himself. Some banana trees, some papaya trees, there is some lime. There is some banana already, almost done. So what I like on this property is the terrace. It's a small terrace, but I totally imagine a pool here. And you see, we have like actually a large view over Saint-Romuald-del-Sur. It's a nice area. We go now to see the property. Going to put a land to see it better. So here is the cover terrace. Could it be transformed as a additional bedrooms? I will say yes, you should. And my cover terrace, it's very large. So we have a north exposition, which is good. The sun stay here, come on the west here, so it's not too sunny. But our garden is still under sun, so it means our pool will be hot. It will not be a too cold pool. So let's go and see the house. So it's a block construction, concrete. So here I imagine some, it could be no windows. We just put mosquito net. Very comfortable, lot of light, I will say. The owner is not here today. We just come like this without to announce us. So that's why the doors are now open for us. But here will be the kitchen. The bar will be the laundry machine or an additional toilet. Here we have the main bathroom. I will share you a link of another video we've done where we go inside. But there is a bedroom and bathroom here and bedrooms here. So 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms house, possibility to build a 3rd bedroom here. And there is space, of course, on the back of the property also that could be used to build. We're going to have a look now. So here is our parking on the side. Will be space for at least 2 cars. When I see here, at least it could be even 3 cars. So it's a very quiet neighborhood. The owners have some chicken to grow. You are not forced to get them. We can push them away if you want. So we will have like a large space here to build also a 3rd bedroom. It will be easy to extend. So other papaya trees, I see other bananas. Is there any mango trees? I don't know. No. But here just next to us, it's a rocote tree. There is no leaf in winter, in summer. For us, we are in dry season. The leaf comes in winter, but the fruits comes in summer. So they are coming soon. Okay, I hope you like this house. We have listed it at first at $135,000. Now we make it discount. The owner asked us to remove the price, so we put it down to $115,000. I truly think that an offer could be accepted. It will be near to $100,000, I guess.